GenZ technology will revolutionize future storage and server architectures. Amphenol-BSI is an active member of the GenZ consortium with market-leading backplane design, assembly, and test expertise. ABSI has developed a midplane solution that is unique to GenZ and delivers on the consortium's commitments to high speed, reliability, and cost effectiveness. Amphenol is delivering a vertically integrated solution with the Amphenol-BSI midplane, AICC mini cool edge connectors, and AST high-speed Z-Link cable. Here at ABSI, we can support the full scale of backplane technology from 1 gigabit per second all the way to 56 gigabits per second in production. And there is research and development being performed to reach backplane speeds as high as 112 gigabits per second. As a global backplane supplier, Amphenol-BSI has a global footprint to serve local markets. Multiple full turnkey manufacturing sites located in Mexicali, Mexico, Changzhou, China, and Kanagawa, Japan, all offer state-of-the-art backplane manufacturing and test facilities. ABSI have remained the leaders in backplane technology across multiple markets and applications. Backplane technology is continuously evolving, upgrading, and becoming an even more critical part of the modern data communication system. ABSI has evolved ahead of market technology trends to ensure that the backplanes of tomorrow can be designed, assembled, and tested today. At Amphenol-BSI, we are enabling the evolution of GenZ technology.